Mormon mom.
Well, you got me for another 3 to 4 hours. Night. I'd like to be in bed by no later than 10.
Says the guy who didn't want to go to church. Beautiful.